Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul, and today we're going to discuss our prototype for LokalFresh.
Hi, I'm Rohaizad Maznan. I'm
Ariff.
going.
Hi, Afiq Rahman. I'm to ESSB.
Okay, I'm Aimi and I'm also 3 SCSB.
Because Afiq is our chief for this prototype, so maybe Afiq can give a little bit of a showcase on the prototype that he has already successfully produced. Yeah?
Okay. So basically, So basically, this dashboard for the administration or for the sellers. So as you can see in the homepage of the dashboard, they display all the product, all the activity of the restaurant. For example, as you can see, it display the latest purchase or the latest order that had already been completed. So right now, I'm going to demo to you on how to add a new product for the sellers. First, he clicks the add new buttons, and then as you can see in this same page, it's provide a form for the sellers to upload the products. For example, the itinerary description, the price, but the unique features here is the quality information. So as you can see, the sellers can enter the information regarding the product. For example, the date the item was received, the expiry dates, and the quality informations. And after filling all the required information, the seller just click save, and then as you can see, the new product already updated. So there's a new product already been inserted. So basically, that's a process on how the sellers want to upload the new products on and how they monitor the activities. So basically, that's a process for the sellers.
All right, thank you, Afiq, for the explanation on the process of the sellers. Okay, let's open the discussion on the floor. What do you guys think? Anyone have any comment or anyone have any enhancement that maybe you can make on our future works?
Okay, from my opinion, from the user interface, the UX design is properly designed and well modern layout. So I kind of like the design with the light design. Alright. So as the listing is also very interesting. Listing, we have the details for the ID, order number, date, amount, payment, and the customer rating. So as a user itself, the user can see all the details that are required for them to see the important information through this.
Seems like Rohaizad has said what I want to say, so I have no comment.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, guys. All right. Okay, I do have some suggestion that maybe we can make. Okay, for the time being, you can see that the vendors their interface is on the web, right? So maybe later on we can have it's like a mobile app for the vendors, you know. So the vendors don't need to like go on to the computer to use the computer in order to add a product, you know. Because for example, our merchant, there are people from the markets, so probably they are very their lifestyle is kind of busy and it's a bit hard for them to have an access on laptop on a daily basis, especially to update on the product's availability and whatnot, right? What do you guys think of the suggestion?
Means as a designer myself, I think that's a good consideration since most of the purchase right now, majority of the purchase are through mobile phone. So I think that's a good idea.
All right, that's good. All right, thank you very much. Okay, now let's moving on to the customer side.
So you can see this is the homepage for the users. So as the first thing that you can see is identify the location of the users, and then there's a search bar, and then the nearby store, and the nearby store and the recommended store for the users. So for example, if the user want to find a chicken, so he click the search button, and as you can see, it's already display the recent search for the user. So as I said, the user want to find chicken, so you just click here ayam. And as you can see, it display all the available chicken from the nearby stores. And as you can see, it display all the different prices and based on the rating. So for example, as you can see, BS Mart has the highest rating, so probably this is the best quality. So I'm going to choose chicken from BS Mart. And then as you can see, after entering it, the user going to be provided more detailed information regarding the product. For example, the date they receive, the expiry date, the date of slaughters, and then it also displays some of the similar product that the user might interested, for example, like the bengali, asparagus, or ango. So I think I'm going to proceed to add this chicken to the carts. So basically this is the product that I've interested. So I'm going to click for proceed to the payment, and then as you can see, I can choose my address, for example, my home address or my office address, or I can add a new address. So for this situation, I'm going to choose my home address. So I'm going to choose cash on delivery methods because that's the easiest payment methods. And then I'm going to just proceed, and just like that, the order is already completed. So I'm going to proceed, go home, and then as you can see, in here it displays the temperature of the package during the delivery. So it is important for the user to know about the quality of the product during delivery. So basically that's it.
All right, it looks super good actually, to be honest. Is there any comments from the floor?
For me, nothing from me. Okay, so Aimi.
I just wanted to know, after we already put the order, it shows that it's on delivery, right? Would it show the map of like Do you think we should add like if there's a update on what you call real-time update of the rider?
Currently, right now it's not available in the future, but I think that's a good idea for recommendation, and I think it's also possible for our developer and designer to make it.
Okay, I also have one suggestion, Afiq, on the price comparison and quality indicator. I think for this one, right, it will be great, if it has some kind of a table to compare the price. For example, okay, it's like a table list, and then with the price comparison. So it is a very clear price comparison view in the table form. Okay, and another one is the quality indicator. Perhaps you can include some sort of very interesting icons. Maybe the one that are rated really good, you can put like a very nice icons beside it.
So okay, I think I'm going to take the suggestion and then discuss it with my designer teams. So I think if we all agree with all the feature that you just suggested, I think we can proceed with it.
Okay, seems like everything is fine now. Okay, I would like to thank you all to coming to today's discussion, and I hope you all stay safe. Make sure that you guys don't go outside. It's BKP right now, so stay safe, stay home, and have a nice day. And yep, see you guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.